Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to allow TikTok access to camera. So the first thing you can do is to go to your settings, then scroll down to screen time and just click on content and privacy restrictions. Then if this is turned on for you, you just need to click on allowed apps and just turn the camera on if this is turned off. Or you can just turn off all the content and privacy restrictions. If the access still doesn't work, the second thing you can do is to open up your settings, scroll down to privacy and security, click on camera and just find the specific application which doesn't have access to the camera. So for example, if TikTok is turned off, you're gonna turn this on. So if it still doesn't work, the third possible solution is to just delete the application that doesn't have access to the camera. So for example, TikTok, but you need to be aware that this is going to delete your drafts. So you may want to save them before. So you just delete the application, you reinstall the application, and when it asks you about access within the application, you're gonna just click OK or allow, and you can try if this works now. The last thing I can recommend you to try is to open up your settings, scroll down to general, then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone, or it may say reset. You click on that and then you're gonna click reset. It's not gonna reset your iPhone, so don't be afraid. You click reset and then you click reset all settings. Then you need to give your passcode and then click reset all settings. You don't have to be afraid, it's not gonna delete your data, it's just gonna reset your settings within your iPhone. After resetting the settings, you can check the settings we looked at previously again, and hopefully then your camera access is gonna work. Alright, so all in all, this is how to allow TikTok access to camera. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.